So I've been asked how I do the stonework design on the drawings so the laser cutter can etch out the stone. So I'm just going to do a quick video to run through the process. So let's jump onto Inkscape, onto the computer. Okay, so here we have, we're on Inkscape right now. First of all, we just need to go to Safari web browser. Then you need to type in seamless stone patterns and do a search and see what comes up. As you can see, there's all different types. You've got images here, and then you've got, I try and look for just the outlines, like this one. But as you can see, it's got a bit of writing on there, so that makes it a little harder. Here's one, a little, and again, it's got a bit of writing. So I try and find the ones that don't have writing on. Otherwise it requires a bit more sort of editing, or you can go and pay for it. So this one's free. So what you do is just drag and download the file, and we'll go on to Inkscape. Right, so as you can see up here, I've downloaded a few different files. Here's the one that we just saw. So you simply drag and drop it into Inkscape. Right, so now we've got this file. What I tend to do is I just change the size of it quickly, so bring it down. I'm not worried about the accuracy of the file just yet. I then select it. You go up to path and then trace to bitmap. As you can see, this then pops up on the right hand side, and then I will bring this up. There we go. I will apply, and it looks like nothing has happened, but if you then go click on the item and click and hold and drag off, you've got the bitmap version. As you see, you click on the original version, it pops up here. So I'm going to delete that one because I don't need that anymore, and then we've got this. So what I then did is I created a quick square and said it was 2 mil high by 4 mil wide, and that will give you a 1 foot by 2 foot size stone. And again, you can change that to whatever you want to do. I then positioned, to get an idea how much that is. Positioned the outline, and then just resized accordingly until I found that I had the size that I wanted, basically. So that's 1 foot high. So we're getting close, roughly. I'd say you're getting closer at that height. There it goes. So yeah, so each layer here is 1 foot basically. So that would be 1/2 foot, roughly 1/2 foot, 1/2 foot. So it gives a rough idea. I then also select it and go to color, and I want to select blue. I like blue. Blue is my engraving for stone patterns. So that's how I get the stone pattern, first of all. What I've then done once I've got the right stone pattern, I'll click it, copy, duplicate it, make sure the magnet's on, line it up so it all lines up, and then you've kind of got like a seamless thing. I'll select both of them, then path union, so it joins it up. And then I did that multiple times. Depending on the layout, I do it multiple times, and then you get the whole stretch here. Once you've got, so that's that. We'll go to this now. So once you've got the outline of the building, what you need to do is duplicate the outline, bring that to one side. Make sure you duplicate so you can always go back and grab the stonework that you want. You then put on top the roughly where you want it. Select both of them, go to path in section, and as you can see, then it's got the just the stonework. The outline disappears. You're still going to need the outline for your building so the laser cutter can cut the building. But on this attempt, and this sometimes happens, you see it's filled in. So what you've got to do is go onto the node tool and kind of select the node tool, and you can delete that. Come off that. Oop. Now usually this doesn't happen with this shape, but this is filled in. So you can just go and erase it. Quite quickly like that. Then once you've got your outline, you then find your outline, drag that on, and it lines up, and that's how I've done the design work. If we jump onto this one, as you can see, there's bricks, different types of bricks, overlay and lapping on this project, and you can see some of them are filled in, so I'd need to go and back that off. But I've just basically prepared these, so as and when I need to get a different stone, I can simply click, copy, paste on, and do exactly what I've just shown you. So I hope that was interesting. Hope that helps you out on Inkscape. Any other questions, feel free to drop me a comment, and I'll get back to you. Cheers.